A for apple.
A for apple.
Apple, apple, apple. Round and
A for airplane.
A for airplane.
Aeroplane, aeroplane up in the sky.
B for butterfly.
B for butterfly.
तितली उड़ी उड़ न सकी बस में चढ़ी सीट न
B for boat.
B for boat.
Let's be boats, 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 floating on the sea.
C for cat.
C for cat.
म्याऊ 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 बिल्ली करती म्याऊ
C for clock.
C for clock.
1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3.
D for duck.
D for duck.
5 little ducks went swimming one day over the hill and
D for dog.
D for duck.
is that a puppy? If your puppy, then you know it's if your
E for elephant.
E for elephant.
Do the elephant stomp, 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 and the elephant swings.
E for egg.
E for egg.
Chicken egg, a penguin egg, an ostrich egg, a crow egg, a cuckoo.
F for fan.
F for fan.
ठंडी हवा खिलाता पंखा ठंडी हवा खिलाता
F for finger.
F for finger.
Daddy finger, where are you?
G for grape.
G for grape.
We are the rolling rolling grapes
G for goat.
G for goat.
5 little goats jumping on the bed. One
H for horse.
H for horse.
चल मेरे घोड़े चल टिक 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 टिक
H for helicopter.
H for helicopter.
Heli ho, helicopter. Thank you.
I for ice cream.
I for ice cream.
Ice cream for the whole family.
I for ice.
I for ice.
देखो गोले वाला आया बर्फ के गोले लाया
J for joker.
J for joker.
with a white face and a big round red nose
J for jump.
J for jump.
jump here, jump there.
K for kite.
K for kite.
Want to fly up, kite, up into the sky.
K for king.
K for king.
राजा ने गुस्से में आकर अपनी पुत्री को एक जंगल में छुड़वा दिया।
L for lion.
L for lion.
शेर निराला, हिम्मत वाला, जोर
L for lamb.
L for lamb.
cause Mary loves the lamb you know lamb you know lamb you know
M for monkey.
M for monkey.
बंदर मामा बहन पजामा दावत खाने आई बंदर
M for mango.
M for mango.
This is a
N for nest.
N for nest.
5 little eggs were sitting in the nest on top of the
N for nurse.
N for nurse.
I dress your wounds whenever due. I freshen you up with a smile.
O for orange.
O for orange.
Orange, orange, orange. Soft and
O for octopus.
O for octopus.
Hello, I'm an octopus. I can grab everything.
P for parrot.
P for parrot.
मैं
for peacock.
P for peacock.
नाच मोर का सबको भाता जब वो पंखों को फैला
Q for queen.
Q for queen.
There's magic in the snow, let me show you.
Q for quail.
Q for quail.
There's still a long way to go before the harvest. We can still.
R for rat.
R for rat.
चूहा गया डॉक्टर के पास डॉक्टर
R for rabbit.
R for rabbit.
Rabbits, rabbits, 1, 2, 3. Will you come?
S for shark.
S for shark.
Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark, do 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 do.
S for star.
S for star.
Little star, how I want.
T for tomato.
T for tomato.
टमाटर 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 लाल टमाटर
T for tiger.
T for tiger.
पापा पापा बैग पापा हम कौन है ऑली
U for umbrella.
U for umbrella.
uncle do you have an umbrella
U for uncle.
U for uncle.
चंदू चाचा कितने मोटे चादर तार पलंग
V for violin.
V for violin.
V for vegetable.
V for vegetable.
10 little vegetables jumping on the bed.
W for watermelon.
W for watermelon.
Rolling, rolling, green body. Melon, watermelon. Long way.
W for whale.
W for whale.
I am a sperm whale. Make way, make way. I am a sperm.
X for xylophone.
X for xylophone.
Xylophone.
X for Xmas tree.
X for Xmas tree.
जैसा क्रिसमस ट्री आज हम देखते हैं वैसा ही होता चला गया।
Y for yak.
Y for yak.
A yak can't do. You're so strong and
Y for yo-yo.
Y for yo-yo.
yo-yo it's my yo-yo so you know now
Z for zebra.
Z for zebra.
zebra zebra let's have a race
Z for zoo.
Z for zoo.
hippo I see them at the zoo A is for apple apple B is for ball ball C is for cat cat D is for dog dog E is for elephant elephant F is for fish fish G is for goat goat H is for hat hat I is for igloo igloo J is for jump jump K is for kite kite L is for lion lion M is for monkey monkey N is for nose nose O is for octopus octopus P is for pig pig Q is for queen queen R is for rabbit rabbit S is for sun sun T is for tiger tiger U is for umbrella umbrella V is for van van W is for whale whale X is for xylophone X is xylophone Y is for yak yak Z is for zebra zebra
A for apple.
A for apple.
A for airplane.
A for airplane.
B for butterfly.
B for butterfly.
B for boat.
B for boat.
C for cat.
C for cat.
C for clock.
C for clock.
D for duck.
D for duck.
D for dog.
D for dog.
E for elephant.
E for elephant.
E for egg.
E for egg.
F for fan.
F for fan.
F for finger.
F for finger.
A normal handshake, clasping of the thumbs, back to a normal handshake, and
G for grape.
G for grape.
G for goat.
G for goat.
H for horse.
H for horse.
H for helicopter.
H for helicopter.
I for ice cream.
I for ice cream.
I for ice.
I for ice.
J for joker.
J for joker.
J for jam.
J for jam.
K for kite.
K for kite.
K for king.
K for king.
राजा ने गुस्से में आकर अपनी पुत्री को एक जंगल में छुड़वा दिया।
L for lion.
L for lion.
L for lamb.
L for lamb.
M for monkey.
M for monkey.
M for mango.
M for mango.
N for nest.
N for nest.
N for nurse.
N for nurse.
Educate them about their health issues and offer emotional support. These medical professionals.
O for orange.
O for orange.
You can actually separate it each by each. Like
O for octopus.
O for octopus.
P for parrot.
P for parrot.
P for peacock.
P for peacock.
Q for queen.
Q for queen.
You're the light, you're the night, you're the color.
Q for quail.
Q for quail.
R for rat.
R for rat.
R for rabbit.
R for rabbit.
S for shark.
S for shark.
S for star.
S for star.
Count the stars one by one in the night sky. It's
T for tomato.
T for tomato.
Those wedges cut, hold a wedge by the core and carefully slice out the tomato's seed pod.
T for tiger.
T for tiger.
U for umbrella.
U for umbrella.
U for uncle.
U for uncle.
चंदू चाचा कितने मोटे चादर तार पलंग.
V for violin.
V for violin.
V for vegetable.
V for vegetable.
W for watermelon.
W for watermelon.
Go, Emily, go. Keep going, don't eat. Don't look around, just keep eating.
W for whale.
W for whale.
X for xylophone.
X for xylophone.
X for Xmas tree.
X for Xmas tree.
Y for yak.
Y for yak.
Y for yo-yo.
Y for yo-yo.
Z for zebra.
Z for zebra.
एक यहाँ पे और एक काफी दूर है. वाह.
Z for zoo.
Z for zoo.
अरे वाह. ओ भाई.
धन्यवाद.